This girl wants to go in the basement. You know what happens in the basement?
Death. Okay, great.
This is what you call a flip. 10 keys from a car to brick. Gently from him, mama whip. K.O.D. he hard as
What's poppin'? JT times 3 subtract 1. Oh! What's poppin'? JT times 3 subtract 1, because there's only 2 of us in this video. And today, as you can see by the title, you know, we will be breaking into
We're breaking into a construction site.
Yes.
It just takes so long to
No,
happen.
I don't.
We're breaking into a construction site. It's getting dark. We've been waiting all day for this.
Sir.
Because we don't want to get caught. So we're going to.
We've been waiting for the construction workers to get
leave,
off.
To get off shift.
So it's like 6 something. Sun's supposed to set at like 8. So yeah, we're just here. So
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow, everything the light touches.
We need a knock before entering.
come in.
Oh, bet. Someone's here. You gotta dust off your feet before you enter the house. You know what I'm saying?
Horrible.
Oh shoot, fingerprints. To eat today. Hungry? Hungry?
I think some maple wood would taste beautiful.
That's some maple wood?
Yeah,
So we got tons.
some maple wood, or how about some birch
Touch
wood?
it. This hair looks dirty this time. Can you try that?
Uh-huh. I am.
So here we have the guest bathroom. I mean the guest room.
Really? I think this is the master because of the walk-in closet.
Yo, look at this bathroom. This bathroom is nice. I'm not too sure about the countertops. They should have did like a little marble, but you know, maybe it was in the budget. Nice walk-in shower. Cute. Lots of space. I think you guys should
Linen closet.
You guys should buy this.
Guest bathroom.
You know, we got that. Oh, 2 rooms side by side. This is for the twins, you know, BB and CC.
Wow.
And here, this is my favorite room, a lot of lighting.
This is probably where they film their videos. You have to come away from the window. There's cars passing by.
This is the best. This is the best.
Like, come on, Jasmine.
This is the best color. Let's get out of here. It's hot.
Is there a basement?
They need to spend money on air conditioning.
For real, a lot of it. They got their house right in the sun. Oh, we should try the basement.
No, we should not.
Why not?
We're not going in no basement. God, she's trying to kill me. God, she's trying to kill me. Oh my gosh. This girl wants to go in the basement. You know what happens in the basement?
Death. Okay, great. Let's go back. Now that you said that.
Yo, so we're about to climb this beautiful mountain right here.
Dirt mountain. Or we could do that small one. Over there.
Nah, go big or go home, baby. Woo! Just waiting for the fencing to stop because we're trying to get up this hill. And what do we have here? An end.
Break.
Foolish mortals.
Running through the patch like a trap.
You know, because Dad says that all the time.
Ask her when the last time she worked out was. Ask her. Ask her when the last time she worked out was.
What?
Ask her when the last time she worked out was. Well, athlete.
That's not the point.
I'm sinking my shoes. And then I have to walk back down? Whose idea was this? You can't even see her. Look at her. Oh shoot, this is like a legit cliff. Nah, that drop. Genesis, I can't go that fast. How'd you get down so quick? So guys, we just finished running from that hill that you just seen in the last clip. And then when we were at the top, like right before we hit the top, this guy in a microphone, like a loudspeaker, said, what do you say?
He said we have to get off the hill or something, or we're gonna be fined for trespassing, and they're gonna call
Because
the
it's
police.
private property.
Apparently.
I'm sitting there thinking, it's just a hill. Like, I didn't know somebody owns this hill. You know what I'm saying? So, so we ended up running back.
Well, I ran off the hill. Jasmine didn't even know what he said, so she was chilling.
No, I was still running. When somebody runs, you run. You run. You don't know what happened, but you run if you see other people running. That's what I do. So she was running, and then we eventually got back down, and we were walking back. We were walking back home.
To this, and then we got to like this street, and then there was like a microphone thing on the street lamp, and he said the same thing, and Jasmine heard it clearly this time.
I heard it. I'm like,
She heard it clearly.
oh shoot, we gotta go. And Genesis is like, we have to run. I said, run?
And then I started running.
I said, run?
I wasn't trying to call no cops.
I haven't
no
seen
cops
Genesis.
called on me?
I haven't seen Genesis run that fast in months. But yeah, shoot.
Yup.
All right,
Well,
guys, that's all for the video.
I hope you enjoyed.
Us breaking into this construction site. I'm getting kind of nervous because I keep seeing cars passing by, like vans, and I see people walking. So it's time to wrap it up. Yep.
Jasmine tried to make herself caught because she went right by the window.
It was a nice view.
I don't even know if they heard that.
It was a nice view.
But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe since we forgot to say that in the intro. And we out.
My left stroke just went viral.
Right stroke, put little baby in a spiral. Soprano.
Hey.